the 2023 Chevy Equinox is a competent mainstream compact SUV in its own right. Even basic LS hardware offers many popular features, including numerous infotainment and security technologies. The Equinox's design is unobtrusive, and its generously sized interior provides plenty of room for passengers and cargo. It's more fun to drive than it looks. However, the 175 horsepower, turbocharged, four-cylinder engine limits driving pleasure. Compared to tastier competitors, Equinox is bland. Alternatives like the Mazda CX-50, Honda CR-V, VW Tiguan, and Ford Bronco Sport all have more personality and enthusiasm. Yet the Equinox remains one of the best sellers in the inflated compact SUV class. New car buyers clearly appreciate the Equinox's combination of spaciousness, features, and value to overlook its sleepy performance and unpretentious flair. For 2023, the Chevy Equinox gets only minor changes, including a 5-horsepower increase for the turbo 1.5-liter, bringing it to 175 ponies. Torque remains the same at 203 pound-feet of twist. 3 of the 8 paint colors available and are new this year, as are the switch from the traditional vacuum-boosted braking system that Chevrolet calls e-Boost to an electronically assisted one. Chevy is also rolling out Sport and Midnight versions for the base LS model.